In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a Canva email template in 2025. We'll keep this simple and practical so you can create something polished in just a few minutes. First, open Canva in your browser. Once you're on the home page, look toward the top and click Create a Design. From the menu, choose Email. If you don't see it right away, use the search bar and type Email Templates to pull up a full gallery. You'll find options for newsletters, announcements, promotions, and more. Take a moment to preview a few so you can pick a layout that fits your message and the tone of your brand. After you choose a template, it opens in the editor where everything is customizable. Click directly on any text to edit the headline, subhead, and body copy. Keep your message concise and scannable, using short sentences and clear calls to action. Click on images or graphic elements to swap them, delete them, or resize them. If the template includes placeholders, you can replace them with visuals that better reflect your brand or campaign. As you move elements around, watch the alignment guides so your layout stays clean and balanced. Next, adjust colors, fonts, and the overall layout to match your brand. You can change colors from the color picker and apply them across the design for consistency. Choose fonts that are easy to read on screens and limit yourself to one or two for a professional look. Make sure there's good contrast between text and background for accessibility, and leave enough spacing so the content doesn't feel cramped. Consider how the design will appear on mobile devices. Larger text and clear buttons tend to work best. When you're happy with the design, click Share in the top right corner, then Download. For most email uses, you'll pick either PDF or an image format. A PDF is great for a single-page newsletter that you plan to attach or host, while a PNG or JPEG works well if you want to insert the design directly into the body of your email. If you choose an image, aim for a balance between quality and file size so it loads quickly. Finally, open your email platform, whether that's Gmail, Outlook, or another service, and insert the downloaded file. You can drag and drop an image into the message body, or use the Insert Image option, or attach the PDF if that's your format. Give it a quick preview to make sure everything looks crisp before you send. And that's it. That's how you use a Canva email template in 2025. Thanks for watching.